this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Card videos, please click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. Also, I give away the demo card, so if you're a first-time subscriber, put your email in the comments, and I'll email you back and let you know if you won the card. Also, make sure you watch the video all the way through, because you never know. I might give the card away to anyone, or I might be doing card kits or swaps or something. So anyway, now let's go make a card. So today's card, we're doing our paper pumpkin alternatives. Yay! Here is the new August Hope Box. So what this is all about is there's this little flyer in here, and it shows you on the back that they're showing you how that you can make this pretty box into a hope box and put all kinds of, you know, meaningful jewelry and doodads, things that are special to you that we all have. So this is the hope box. So it comes with this beautiful ribbon, and then the stamps are hope, just a note of hope, always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring, where there is, and then the hope goes over there, and then a butterfly and a flower, anyway, a bunch of those. And then they have these really pretty envelopes. So this is 1, this is 2, and that's 3. So the envelopes are really cool. So it's not just a hope box, it's cards as well. So, and then your dimensionals with these really nice embellishments here. And then always save these things, these little like glue dot thingies. These are great for like the bumblebee trinkets, anything kind of heavy, because these are nice and flat and they stick pretty well. And these really cute die cuts of butterflies, these are awesome. And some different colored cards. And this says hope and tomorrow, and then in different languages. And these are just plain card backs. These are sentiment tags, so you got little rectangles and squares. Some more rectangle backgrounds. Some more die cuts. These are really nice. There's a lot in this box this time. Oh, the ink is Blackberry Bliss. Ooh, I love these Stampin' Bots. These are great on your Stamparatus, or if you have a Moxie or something. So when you're stamping a stamp on one of those on the plate, it doesn't get your plate all dirty. So these are great. You can buy a blank one of these too. I'll put a link in my video, and you can click on it and place an order with me, hopefully, and you can get those. Also, she's got it on the box, the hope box here. So you put that on the front of this box. So that's really cool. And then, wow, there's a ton of stuff in here. And then these card bases and some more of these. These are really pretty. This is one big die. And then this goes around the hope box. And then there's more card bases. Wow. More card bases. These are really pretty. And then, oh, my tag fell off here. Some tags, and always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. And some more little die cuts. And some more tags here in English, French, and German, I think. And then more card fronts, and then the instructions on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and make their 3 cards, and I'm going to do my own hope box. I'll use what she's got, but you know, you got to make it different. So that's why you're watching this video, right? So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. And here's their cards, and these turned out really pretty. I kind of like that. They never show you do the insides, and they're just really nice. I really enjoyed making those. And the instructions are fantastic. When you open this flap up, it's like a trifold here. This will show you everything you'll need for each card. And then they'll go in order, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do my own box. And it's pretty easy to put it together. You get this little sleeve. You put the ribbon around. You do your little embellishments there, and it's easy, but I'm going to do mine a little different probably. But these are the cards. So now off to the alternatives. Back. All right, my first alternative is super easy. I didn't really do a lot to it other than kind of rearrange everything. I used all the butterflies here. I put this card up on dimensionals, this one snailed down. The hope, I did take a blending brush, and I used a combination of polished pink and Highland Heather, and I did blend the circle that comes with the kit. And then the Hope is in the Blackberry Bliss, and I do quickie inside. So this is Melon Mambo. This is the piece from the kit. This is Whisper White, and I cut it with stitched rectangles. And then here's the butterfly from the kit and the sentiment. So this is alternative number 1. Here's alternative number 2. And what I did is I took this, the pool party card front that came with the kit, and then I took the big butterfly that comes with the kit and I turned it over, and I took the blending brushes with Polished Pink and Highland Heather and did the background. I used it like a stencil. So I did that, and this is what came out. And then I used the embellishments here. I used the sentiment tag. Inside, I took one of the envelopes and cut it up and put it on the inside, and then I also blended it with the Highland Heather and Polished Pink, and of course the sentiment in the Blackberry Bliss that comes with the kit. So this is alternative number 2. Alternative number 3, what I did is I took this base, which I had no idea what I was going to do with. So what I did is I took some blending brushes and I just blended this with Bermuda Bay, and this is what came out. And then I placed some butterflies over some of the splotchy parts here, and those are cut from Brilliant Wings, that die set. And then I took the stitched rectangle frames and did the outline here. This is Blackberry Bliss, this is Poppy Parade, Blackberry Bliss on all the butterflies. And then these little swirly things came from this little thing. I just cut it up and I used the swirlies in there. I put some holiday rhinestone basic jewels. Hope came from the kit, put it up on dimensionals. And then inside I just put the Poppy Parade. I cut a piece of the Blackberry Bliss in the stitched rectangle frames, and then in basic white, and then of course the sentiment in Poppy Parade. So this is alternative number 3. Here's alternative number 4, and what I did is I took that pink card base from the kit and I stamped here. These flowers are from Jar of Flowers, and I just used my blending pens, the Cherry Cobbler, Real Red, Soft Succulent, Evening Evergreen, and a little Mango Melody here in these centers. But I also took the water painters, and I took the really wide brush, and I took Balmy Blue and just put some ink on the lid and just went one direction and gave it a quick wash. And then also took Soft Succulent and did the bottom here. I know it's really hard to tell in the video, but these are washed with Balmy Blue and Soft Succulent with this. So, and then the sentiments from the kit, the embellishments from the kit, and then I also put one of the bumblebee trinkets on there because I love those things. Those are great. And then this is all just scallop contours in here with that's Melon Mambo, and the paper is also Melon Mambo. So this is alternative number 4. Alternative number 5, I did something also different. I took this laser die cut from the kit and I turned it over and kind of tagged it down with the masking tape. I know this is pink, but it's actually the green one. These come from like Michael's and Hobby Lobby or whatever. And this is great for masking. So I masked it onto the Whisper White. And then I took a bunch of colors like Polished Pink, Highland Heather, Bumblebee, Just Jade, and Poppy Parade. And I took the blending brushes and just blended it in. So this is actually the back of that stencil, and that's the front of the laser cut. So that's what I did to make that. And then I put a butterfly here from the kit. I also blended the circle from the kit in Highland Heather and Polished Pink and stamped that in the Blackberry Bliss that comes with the kit. The embellishments are from the kit. And then I mounted this on a Balmy Blue or Bermuda Bay card base. And this of course is basic white, and the sentiment from the kit is in Blackberry Bliss. So this is alternative number 5. Here's alternative number 6. And what I did is I took that pool party base, card base that came with the kit, and then I put a Bermuda Bay mat, and then I took the envelope and I cut this out. And what I did is I got the butterfly stamp from the kit, and I stamped these in Versamark, and then I put white embossing powder on it. I also took the little splotchy stamp from the kit and made these splotchy because it's splotchy on this paper. So I went ahead and I heat embossed that, and then I took my blending brushes and I took Highland Heather and Just Jade, and I just blended it over that and just wipe off the ink that's on the embossing powder, and this is what you get. And then of course the tag is from the kit. It's up on dimensionals and the embellishments, and this is from Scalloped Contours as well, and I stamped this in Bermuda Bay. So this is alternative number 6. Here is number 7. It's not an alternative, but this is supposed to be the Hope Box. So it turned out okay. What I did is, of course, this is the butterfly from the kit. I put the blue adhesive back gems on the butterfly. Here's a bumblebee trinket. Here's a bumblebee from the kit. This sentiment tag is from Encircled in Beauty Dies. And these daisies, of course, are Daisy Lane and the large and the medium daisy punch. And I stamped them in Highland Heather and polished pink, and then put the yellow playing with pattern dots on top. Now, it's really hard to tell in the video, but I also embossed the white belly band that came with the kit, and I embossed this in Meadow Moments. It's actually really pretty. You can't really tell with the video, but here's also what I did. So let's look inside. So when I did my belly band, I took tear tape and I put it under the ribbon. So the ribbon is attached to the belly band. So when we take this off, it's all going to be attached. So I did that on purpose. I also blended the belly band in Bermuda Bay, so I thought that was good. Also, I took some extra pieces and I just did the front and the back here, so I don't know, it was just kind of silly. And then when you open it up, I don't know how well you can tell, is I put expressions in ink. I lined it in the lid, and then I took some filling and some purple silk. I just happened to have purple silk, and I made a little cushion. I just kind of glue gunned the piece of fabric inside, and here's my little trinket. And I know it looks like it's just a bowl with rocks and coins in it, but it's actually a little more personal than that. First of all, this is a rock bowl that I got at probably the jewelry show, either in Tucson or here in Denver. And then these coins are from my trip to Ireland, England, and Scotland. So these are all my little coins. And then a shell, and these look like just a bunch of rocks, right? No, these are rocks that I took from the beach in Ireland. So they're very, very special to me. So this is actually a super sentimental thing, but I thought that kind of looked cute. And then these just fold right in, and then just put the belly band back on. And those are my alternatives. So by the way, I do give away a mystery card. So if you put in the comments, oh, I'd like to win a mystery card, and put your email, I will contact you and let you know if you won the mystery card. I'm only giving away one, so you never know. I have really lots of demo cards that no one claims. So anyway, that'll do it for me. Thanks, bye.